Hey, Brandon, what's up, man?
What's up, dude?
What's going on? You all right?
Yeah, man.
Oh man, I'm out here looking at these slick cars.
Yes, sir.
I told this thing slick, man. Look at the inside, baby. Beautiful. Look at the inside of the dad. Look at the dad bowl.
That's a 55.
I'm talking about, just look at it, man. It's just so pretty. That motherfucker, clean. I'm over got that LX in there. That LX1. The LX1. They got the LX1 motor.
What the hell that mean?
Something got something in it.
Fucking
It'll
road
ride.
mouth.
Yeah. Got the LX1 in there.
That bitch a ride when it goes.
That's what I should have put in my car. The LX1.
What is it?
A caddy? Look at that fin. Look at the fins on that damn thing, man. This a caddy, man. Hey, babe. When they made them like this, look, they made the back look like the front.
Hey, man.
Look at that. You didn't see that? They made the back look like the front.
Yeah.
They made the back look like the front.
You would think that the
We talking
front.
about a while ago that car a while ago I said you couldn't put
Girl, you look at it, you look like you in the front.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. You ain't gonna see that car no more. Yeah, you'll never see that car again.
Yeah, exactly. Yep, exactly. Yep.
But one thing about it, they made cars back then. They made cars. You can't find that no more.
Instead of running over one person,
It doesn't have a seatbelt. So when you drive it, that's sliding around all over the place. And he said that's how they got the women.
It got the 572 in it.
see it, I don't
And he's,
know.
Oh, it is.
he's the owner. Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's a big boy there.
Yeah.
But you now you can take out one person with a car, but this car, you take out
Oh yeah. Maybe 10 in the back.
They like
It's a big car. That's a big boy there.
But you don't know nothing about going to drive in, do you?
Oh no.
When we used to go drive in, we file that trunk full and everything else because you had to pay for everybody. We got in there and then everybody piled out, man.
Yeah.
One person to pay.
That thing's clean, man. Rich. Oh yeah. That Mercedes thing right there. Corvette. I just love looking at the dashboards of these things. Huh? Well, that's that gangster shit right there. He just got a couple things he need to do, like with the paint. You know what I mean? Stuff like that.
Yeah, you gonna lose a lot of points.
Yeah, he needs a lot of stuff done to that car.
Yeah, 1936.
Ooh, boy, look at that. I love looking at them gauges, man. Look at them gauges.
You think they're original now?
Yeah. It's it look like it been chopped. It been chopped. Oh yeah.
What that mean, girl?
3 inches.
3 inches out the front, an inch and a half out the
Yeah, I
back.
mean chop the roof.
Been
Oh,
short.
okay.
Yeah, it's shortened it. It make it look more sporty to me,
Yeah.
more hot roddy.
Yeah.
Then them tall. Then you see how the glass going.
Yeah.
I like that. That's beautiful, man. That's a nice car. Very nice. Oh yeah. Whoa.
Don't too many folks know about that shot, cause you fucked them up when you said that.
Oh yeah, I know
He
all
was
about
shot
that
like
shit.
hell
'Cause
when you
I look
said
at car
that.
shows and shit, huh?
He was shot like hell when you said
Yeah.
that.
Look at them gauges in that motherfucker. Cool. Believe it or not, them gauges right there, probably both of his cars. Both of these
Oh,
here.
both of these?
Yeah. Look. Them gauges right there worth probably about goddamn $10,000. You don't believe it?
Man, God.
I'm serious. Them real gold gauges. Boy, that's a lot. Yeah, that's a lot of motor. That's a lot of engine, boy. That's a lot of engine.
I ain't the same though.
Shit, that's a lot of engine. It's a beautiful car too. That's nice,
Okay,
man.
you think they ride around with it like this? With nothing on the thing right here?
Yeah.
1934.
It's a Ford. That sounds pretty. Ooh, wee. I like this black boy. That's something slick. Sound pretty slick right here, ain't it, Marv?
Yeah, that's Leonard right.
Huh?
This is Leonard right.
Oh, that thing slick, them boy. Oh yeah, that thing slick, 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 slick.
You were supposed to be far away from where you at.
He's somewhere around.
Leonard right.
So live, man. That's why I was looking at it. I figured it was Leonard car, man.
That thing slick though.
Yeah, it's
So
slick.
Leonard car, for real.
Oh
You
yeah.
got a white SS Malibu.
Man.
You don't usually be far from it.
Said he don't be far from good.
I ain't sure though.
Man, them things, boy, them money some nice
cars up in.
Huh?
Yes,
Some
sir.
money up here.
It's some money up here. It's
Especially them
some
two.
Yeah.
Right there. That's some money up here,
Nothing
man.
but real money.
Huh?
Folk got nasty money, man.
Back in the old dusty, ain't it?
Yes, sir.
The old dusty money.
Hey, good. How you doing?
You heard what Mars said. He said these folks just got dusty money.
I'm talking about for real.
Because they retired. Hey, how you doing? Yeah.
I'm at 200 that they throw away.
Yeah, about $200,000 on a car. Easy. Look at this motherfucker right here, Thunderbird. Slick. Why I love that car. Look at this motherfucker. Slick. Look how the tires in there. Look how the
You know where
fucking.
that tire sit up like that?
Yeah.
This thing ain't fit to close with that tire like that.
That's it, dude.
It ain't there.
Hey, it closed like that with the trunk, with the tire. It closed with the tire set up like that. Oh, that here right here.
No, the guy sitting in that
Oh. I'm talking about just look.
I got that truck right there.
Oh, that's your truck right there. Oh, okay. Yeah, it's nice too. That bed lining.
Did we just see another bed like that?
We seen another truck like that, but it wasn't that color.
What model? 65.
Phew. Man, that would make the inside make a difference, man. That would make the car, man. That inside. That's a pretty color on the inside of that thing too.
Man, I just need one of them, man.
Man, that goddamn Thunderbird so damn clean color. Ooh, wee. Man, that goddamn Thunderbird. That goddamn Thunderbird, right? That's a nice car color.
I like that.
Me too. Yeah, yeah.
I'm sorry.
This baby here too. Boy. Nasty. Nasty. They look like it got that 572 big block in it. Look at them gauges, man. Look at them fucking gauges. That shit that pretty, man.
I do 140, man. I do 140.
Man, I'm talking about just look how slick the console is. That shit crazy. Look how the console act like that, man. Man, look how slick the console is. Console painted, bro. Look how slick that shit is. Something like a glass house. Straight glass. That's 572 in now. Then I tell you, baby. Then I tell you what size motor this is, cuz. That 572, then I tell you that what that was. That 572.
That's it, be right.
What? That's a lot of motor.
What the fuck this is?
Ooh.
That's a
Yeah.
lamb.
That's a Lambo. Huh?
You live down here too?
Huh? Oh, shit.
Oh my.
Oh, my shit, man.
Oh,
Good. Man, what the hell? What the hell, cuz?
the motor in the trunk.
That's all I can say.
Oh, God, man.
Wow, man.
Yes, sir.
71.
That's a lot of money. That's a lot of money in that car.
No joke.
A lot of money, power in that car.
Look how low it
That's
is, man.
a lot of money right there.
It looks nice for 50 years old.
Yeah, you do, man. I'm talking about nice.
I bet this one right here kill them new ones. The new ones they got out. It'll destroy them.
I don't know about that.
You don't think so?
Nah, they don't put too much in them new.
They were bad about actually putting the motors in these that were too small. It's kind of like the DeLorean. The DeLoreans had a little small motor in them.
Oh, it got the 430 in this one.
Oh, okay, never mind.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that means business, that's for sure.
Yes, sir. Oh, yes, sir.
All that need there is a
That
supercharger.
thing got that thing supercharged up there. This one mean business. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
I came here with a group of folks and I ain't seen this weekend.
Whatever, man. That's a nice car.
Yeah, this one you don't think I can drive. That's what Let's see what it's saying.
Yeah, he don't take it out.
Oh, I bet.
Because you won't be able to find parts for that damn thing, would you?
You know that's bad.
Uh-huh.
Ragtop's bad.
Never seen a ragtop so bad. And that paint, that black paint, it's hard to paint black that sleek.
Yeah, that takes sanding and buffing, sanding and buffing. That takes a lot of love.
Yes, sir. Ooh, Lord have mercy.
Yeah, 427.
Look at that thing. Ain't that thing beautiful?
This is a Corvette, man.
Nah.
It's a Corvette.
Yeah, that's that bit there. That's that fuel injection too. Oh my. Oh man, look at that shit. Man, look at that.
59 bit. Cause you better hold that bit there tight, bro. Cause that's why I put my phone in my pocket, man. I don't want to make nail scratch.
I'm talking about
One scratch gonna cause your ass 2,000.
I own one motherfucker ain't good.
Boy, this a Corvette.
I'm talking about then. Look what it look. Look at that symbol. Phew. You see how it live? It's a light on the inside that
That's
look
what
like.
it is,
Huh?
I said that's what it is, a light.
Yeah, it's a light.
Said a couple of times.
Man, it's a damn Corvette.
I'm talking about, look at that grill. They're too clean. The goddamn grill so shiny. Look what color it is on my phone.
That one's shinier. That's what the
The grill so shiny, it changed
color.
color. Yeah, it changed color, it's so shiny.
That's a shiny one.
Oh yeah.
The other red one over there.
Man, that's a
Even
nice
the mirror
car.
you can see under.
Oh, you can see up under the car right here, baby. Look right here.
Oh, okay.
That thing nice up on there. Ooh, wee.
Oh, that was cool right there.
Well, that thing nice up on there. That thing real nice up on there. She clean up on there.
What model it is? 55.
It's a 55. She clean up on there, I can tell you that.
Oh, you did. Yeah, he hasn't been around this week.
Boy, thing slick, man.
You think they're original?
That paint look like an orange. It got some kind of tangerine orange in it or something. It ain't original paint, baby. That original paint ain't gonna stay that clean that long.
That thing been paid a million times.
Hey, man.
Yeah, bit of 200,000 around here.
Huh?
Yeah, it's bit of 200,000 around here.
That's 65 years.
Huh? No, I'm talking about 200,000 dollars.
Slick paint job on it though. Real slick. Nah, that's nice right there. I like that.
There are a few. Oh yeah, that's factory.
We were just thinking, do the trunk go down with the tie up like that?
Yeah.
Man. I like how you got that. That's nice. That's slick. That's slick. That's real slick.
You sit on those seats, man. You feel like you're sitting in your living room. Ain't like that jumping on cars. That's right.
Oh no.
That's right.
Oh no, there ain't no junk there. Ain't no junk there. That Jimmy Brick right here. That Jimmy Brick Corvette right here, boy. Woo!
Oh, this a bit.
Yo, that Jimmy Brick Corvette, boy. Woo! That new thing.
What model is it, bro?
That's a 2021, ain't it? That's 19. Oof. Got like the racing tires on it. They getting better and better with them. Yeah, I like this one better. The body style look different. Man, it's a nice car. Man. Okay, it's amazing how they can get these parts to make them look new like that again. You know what I'm talking about? Yeah, you can tell this shit ain't never been drove. That shit ain't been drove,
But if
man.
it like that though, that mean it ain't original, right?
Huh?
That mean it ain't original.
Yeah, it's the original parts for the car.
Look at how pretty this car
You see what I'm saying? That wasn't it was. Back in the day, that's how it came.
Side's even red.
You know what I mean? When the first car was first. Man, that something got 3 carburetors on it. They got 3 carburetors on that motherfucker, man. God. That thing got 3 carburetors on it.
Does it?
Yeah. Shit.
Thanks, Joe.
They make them pretty now.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, like that.
Yeah, they make them real pretty.
Like that?
Yeah. I like that, man.
That Starliner, huh?
I know, isn't it cool? I got good taste.
Is there a Joe in there? Look at that. Here's a black one.
Goddamn seat slick on that motherfucker. Boy, that be clean. Good God Almighty, man. Just let me take it home. Just let me
one
take this
time,
motherfucker
go
home, man. I just want to take it home, man. I just want it, man. Then they got the original seats in it.
What model your daddy know me?
I don't know. Park got to come on up with it, though.
Yeah, you gotta come on up with your.
Yes, sir. That SS right here, though. I just want to borrow it one night.
The same kind.
Yeah. That's a slick color. I like that color on that.
That color.
That's a slick color. That blue.
Steering wheel. Look at the steering wheel.
That's slick there, boy. Oh, the steering wheel. That original steering wheel, too.
You think
Man,
that original?
yeah. That's how they made them cars back then. See, they made cars back then. They don't make them motherfucker like that no more, man. Don't make no car like that no more.
Shit, it's the same car, BG.
Huh? Yeah, it's the same kind of car. It's a SS. It's a SS. That Shaman here clean, though. Original Firebird. Clean too, ain't it? Slick though, boy. That color they'll make it.
Well, the keys are in that one, but it ain't fast. I'll leave keys in it. I mean, you know. Yeah, I got 3 blocks. There's a little time. I got it.
Oh shit! Hey, cuz this a 23 T bucket, 1923 T bucket.
Look, but is that the clutch right there?
Yeah, that's the gay.
I'm talking about that's the gas right there.
Yeah.
That's the brake.
Right here.
Yes, sir. Braking the gas.
Yeah, that'll breaking the gas.
So it ain't no stick then? It's just 1, 2, 3. What? What? You just bump it up. 1, 2, 3.
Wow, man. It's a nice T bucket right here, man. Very nice T bucket. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's a lot of engine toking that little thing too, man. A lot of engine.
Look at the color.
Yeah, I'm saying that's a lot of engine toking that thing.
Look at the white on me.
They the mufflers.
It's a damn 23.
Yeah, 1923. Ooh, we that slick.
I like it.
Ooh. God. Man, look at the paint job on that car, man. Man, look at the paint job on that car, man. This is stupid, man. Phew. See all these little kids out here with they rich family. You feel look. This original. This original.
Yeah.
Look at the inside.
Yeah, this original.
Huh?
This is original.
This
what
original.
I call original.
This original truck here, baby.
Yeah.
They what you call fatigue. Yeah. I like that. I like that. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
You can tell where it been. You know what I mean? I like how you kept it like that. That's the best way to keep it. Oh yeah. Got history behind this, baby.
I see Casey, so I see Lynn here. Lynn.
Hey, cuz. Hey, Jane.
He's up there.
Hey, babe.
Right?
Check this out. Look how the front windshield come out. Look how the front windshield come out, cuz. You can roll the front windshield out, make it come out.
Man, that's old school.
Boy, that shit hard, man. I wish I had this truck. I wish I had this truck, man.
I'm talking everything original.
Everything original. Everything. Look at it. Look at the engine.
I'm talking you can roll your window.
In the front.
Nah.
In the front to get out,
That's
man.
crazy, man.
Yes, it is.
Yeah.
That Mustang right there, serious.
I'm with you. Seat too damn low.
How the hell you get out that son of a bitch? This motherfucker clean though, boy. Look at that son of a bitch right there. Look at that back right there. Then you can put some music so loud and it go. That Cobra, man. That Colt. That the one on that gone in 67.
Yeah.
You see what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
It was this one is.
Don't make it 20 years no more.
Mm. Well, they had some nice shit out here, though. They had some nice shit out here.
There's a classic. I put my keys in my pocket.
It's hard to judge them, man. They got some classes out here, man.
Oh yeah.
I'm for real.
Hey, take a picture of this. Take a picture of this and then ask your wife what this is for. Look at this.
Womb therapy.
Womb therapy.
Womb therapy.
Take a picture of that and ask a woman what's that's about.
Yeah, I want to know what it's about now.
I'm finna do it now.
Womb therapy.
I ain't never heard of